Hi guys, this is a homework for the art lesson for year 5. The homework is about drawing a vase, and after you draw the vase, you draw flowers inside like this, as shown in this example. When you're finished drawing this, make lines across the page, not more than 7 lines. So, draw the vase, flowers, and the lines across the page, not more than 7. After you finish drawing, start shading, coloring, and shading each box with a different color. For example, here we use these colors. The background, we use these colors. So, as you can see, and the flowers, we use these colors. So, you have a freedom to choose other colors, of course, but make it related as shown here in this example. Alright, so in the same box, you choose one color and try to make it shaded, like you see here, thicker from here and a little bit lighter from here. Alright, this example also will be shown as a picture. Miss Nashwa will attach it for you for extra help. Thank you.